Hey guys, it's Justin here with TESmart.com. This video is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up TESmart's dual monitor KVMs. Today we're going to be using an HDMI plus VGA model, but this setup is also relevant for HDMI plus HDMI and HDMI plus DP as well. When you're done, you'll be able to use your KVM with an extended dual monitor setup like you see here. We're going to try to keep this video short, but if you want to jump ahead, here are the timestamps. Once you've received your package, go ahead and open it up and confirm you have the following components. One KVM switch, one 5-volt power adapter, two KVM cables which have HDMI and USB ends, two VGA cables, one instruction manual, and one remote control which does not have a CR2025 battery included, but you can pick one up at most retailers like Target, Walmart, or CVS. Before we begin, we like to cover the top pitfalls when installing the dual monitor KVMs. By far, the biggest hiccup is understanding that each PC needs to have two video connections to the switch if it's based on HDMI technology. HDMI is point to point. It cannot be split and extended. Any dual monitor KVM with HDMI is going to require multiple video connections. This isn't a limitation of the KVM, but rather HDMI in general. This graphic from the manual illustrates how the connection should be made, but to make it more clear, you're going to need three connections from each PC, an HDMI, a VGA, and a USB for the keyboard and mouse. If your computer does not have both an HDMI and VGA output, we have a list of attested and approved adapters on the website. This list also includes some USB and VGA adapters, which can be used as a last resort. Take note that not all cables are bidirectional. This means that you will need to select the cable going from the output type to the desired input type. Links are in the description below. So let's begin with connecting the cables. We're going to go ahead and go from right to left. First, for computer 1, we'll plug in the HDMI, VGA, and USB connectors. Since our PCs do not have an HDMI out, we are using a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. Then, for computer 2, we'll plug in the computer's HDMI, VGA, and USB connectors again using a DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. The USB 2.0 port can be used for any devices such as printers, webcams, gaming headsets, but for today we're going to use the jump drive. The next two ports are emulated mouse and keyboard ports. Only mice and keyboards will work in these, so we'll go ahead and plug in our wireless Logitech dongle. Display 2 is going to go to the left monitor, and Display 1 is going to go to the right monitor. Lastly, we'll give this baby some juice with the 5-volt adapter. When you're done, the KVM should look something like this. Now, when you turn your KVM on, you should be in mode 1 with both computers displaying an extended desktop. To confirm that you're in mode 1, take a look at the LEDs on the front of the unit. Online LED 1 and 2 should both be activated. This confirms that you're getting a USB connection from each of the computers. Then, the selection LEDs should either be 1 or 2 to be activated. If both are activated, you are in mode 2, and you need to use the hotkey command scroll lock to switch to mode 1. We'll go into the details of these hotkey commands in a later video. Okay, so hopefully this video helped you guys out. We're going to shoot another video on how to do troubleshooting steps, and then we're also going to shoot another on how to actually operate the unit. So if you guys are good to go, obviously you don't need to watch the troubleshooting video. You can just go for the operating video. Thanks and have a good day.